Alright, we've got the elbow piston that we are going to be doing now. Shouldn't be hopefully too bad, but let's see how we go. Okay, I'm going to go from the front. We are going to draw an arc. Now, we want the length of this between point and point to be like, so we can figure all this out in a minute. Okay, so we want the length of that's going to be 12, so we'll need to check that in a minute. And then the angle of this, that we want that to be a radius of 5. So let's go. This is actually going to be the wrong way. Oh, there we go. That's worked. So go cancel. Grab all that. We're going to move that down towards the middle. And zoom in a bit. Okay. Now the length of this line, we need that at the moment is 7, 8, 54. We want to try and get that to 12 if we can. So I'll bring that, maybe. Not so I'm going to close that measurement first. There we go. We might just snap that. What are we going to do? We'll do it like that way. So let's constrain this point there onto that point. So we'll use our coincident constraint to constrain that to that, like that. Okay. Now I want to go that, but I don't want a radius. I want to actually know the length of that. Because we need this. We need this to be like at 90 degrees because 90-degree bend. So we want that to be like that, but we don't necessarily need, well, that is. So what's the length of that now? 784, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to add in some distance on the end of that to get that to 12. So we want 12 millimeters, and we're going to take away 7.854. So just quickly grab our calculator. 12 minus 7.854 equals 4.146. And we want to divide that by 2, which equals 2.073. So what we want is we want a straight line that's exceeding this, and the length of that straight line needs to be 2.073, and do the same on the other end. 2.073, enter. Now if we've done our maths correctly, hopefully this will tell us what we've got. Tells us it's 10 mils from that way, which is not quite what we want. We want to go and there we go. If we hold our try that again. If we hold down our control key, we should be able to select all of them. It's not going to give us a total, but we've got 2.073. That plus those three in total. Select body, select component. Show snap points. Oh, it's not going to give us all around, which is a bit of a bugger, but let's take a chance and say that that is what it is. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a circular sweep on this, and so we're going to go finish selection. So what we're going to do is we're going to now run on perpendicular to that. We need to draw the diameter of that, and the diameter of that inner circle is 1, 2, is 4 millimeters. So we're going to draw a circle with a diameter of 4. And we're going to go finish sketch. Now you can see that we haven't gone all the way, so let's see how this works. We're going to go sweep, profile, that way there, and path is going to be that and that. Excellent, that worked for us. And go OK. Right, so that then becomes the middle point of what we've got. Now from that, we just need to do a sketch on this face and draw a diameter of 6 and finish that sketch there. We're then going to extrude that shape and that shape a distance of 31.5. Okay, so we've done that extrusion as 31.5 millimeters up there. Join that, go OK. Then we're going to create a sketch on this bottom face here. Do another circle of 6 diameter. Finish sketch. Again, do the extrusion of those two shapes. Distance being 31.5 again, and do OK. Then we've got a 1/2 mil chamfer on the two ends, so modify chamfer there, 0.5. OK, and then we've got a 1 mil fillet which is inside this elbow in here, so fillet on there and there of 1, and go OK. And there is our finished part. We could make it all look shiny, so if we go to that, go to appearance, and what's that, steel satin, let's go to metal and chrome and drag that onto there and close that, and there is our lovely chrome part. Save that as your elbow piston, and we are done.